Well, thank you very much, Dr. K. A. Paul, for coming here, for looking for the peace, bringing justice and peace in all the world. As you know, we are looking for the peace. Before initiating of this war against Iran, we didn't want this war. Till now also we don't want this war. Because any time the war is created, there will be a lot of innocent people will be killed during the war. If we could stop the war to avoid one single drop of blood sharing on the land is better than after 2 seconds. So thank you very much for your efforts. Thank you very much for your looking at peace in Middle East and also to stopping the war. We are looking for that.